Hey everybody, so today we are back on Roblox, and today's Roblox video, I just woke up as a noob. Yes, like man, I remember joining this game and I wasn't a noob, but then I rejoined just to make a video and I woke up as a noob. Bro, what happened? But anyway, today we're gonna be checking out the new admin engines that are going to be staying in this game for a week. So let's just get started. First things first, we got Beta Thomas here. And just like in every single goddamn game has that Vic Penguin has made, or at least he was a part of, he there was always this guy here. Like seriously. So anyway, on to the next engine. And the next engine there is one of my favorites, the 0660 Thomas. And sometimes I like to call him the Japanese dad with Thomas because he's shaped like that and looks like that. Just saying though. Here, new profile picture. Alright, the next engine is the TSLR Thomas. Here he is. It's basically the Thomas right over here that is next to the smudger image there. And here he is in his former glory. No piston rods though. Cry about it. And also, he has some skins. By clicking on his dome, we got green, brownish or orange, I don't know, rusty, pink, red, some sort of peach, I don't know, and black. Oh yeah. Alright, so the next engine, there are actually two engines that come from the same kind of like series or something, I don't know. Same kind of parody. Unstoppable Thomas and Unstoppable Percy. So here we have Unstoppable Thomas from that little parody. There's the face, the side rods, the big one, everything. And here's Percy, Mr. I like clouds guy, I guess. And there's the two tank engines. Yep. And finally, for the tank engines, we have the BSS Thomas, which I like to call the too much injured Thomas. Why, you may ask? You just go to his face sections, and he just keeps getting injured for no goddamn reason. Like, he's angry, he's injured. He's determined, he gets injured. And let's see. He gets shocked, he gets hurt. He's worried, he gets hurt. Why? And he's also trying to, and it also kind of looks like he's trying to have like some sort of fake smile, I guess. And his whistle is kind of different from the others. Anyways, into the ditch. Alright, time to check out the final admin engine, which is actually a tender engine, and no, it's not Alfred, cry about it. It's Tomal. Basically, it's Donald here. It's Donald here. But if you go to check out his faces, They're all Thomas's faces. This is you know when the actual Donald and Douglas come out, I don't think it's gonna be they're gonna have Thomas's face. I think this is just temporarily or something. I don't know. Yep. Let just all of them. Yep. All of them. And he's going somewhere now. So anyway, that'll be all for this video now. So hang on, guys. That's better. Even though I could have just done that seconds ago, or just minutes ago. I don't know. But anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, click the bell notification, select all, and have a happy Easter and April Fools. Bye bye.